Master the word appropriate for IELTS success. Have you ever struggled to find the right word for a situation? Today, we're exploring a versatile and essential word in the English language, appropriate. This word is crucial for IELTS learners aiming for a band score of 6.5 and above, as it demonstrates a good command of vocabulary in various contexts. Word type. Appropriate can function as both an adjective and a verb, making it a flexible word in your vocabulary arsenal. Meaning, as an adjective, appropriate means suitable or proper in the circumstances. When used as a verb, it means to take something for one's own use, typically without the owner's permission. Word history. The word appropriate comes from the Latin appropriare, which means to make one's own. It entered the English language in the 15th century and has since become a commonly used word in both formal and informal settings. Antonyms. Some antonyms of appropriate include unsuitable, improper, inappropriate, and unfitting. These words express the opposite meaning and can be useful in contrasting situations. Synonyms. Synonyms for appropriate include suitable, fitting, proper, apt, relevant, and pertinent. These words can help you vary your language and express similar ideas in different ways. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use appropriate in sentences. As an adjective, it is important to wear appropriate clothing for a job interview. As a verb, the government appropriated funds for the new healthcare program. In a more complex sentence, the committee must determine the appropriate course of action, considering both the ethical implications and the practical constraints of the situation. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing appropriate with proper. While they are similar, proper often implies adherence to social norms, while appropriate is more about suitability for a specific situation. Another error is using appropriate when you mean to use appropriately. Remember, appropriate is an adjective or verb, while appropriately is an adverb. To wrap up, mastering the word appropriate can significantly enhance your English language skills. It allows you to express suitability and relevance in various contexts, which is particularly valuable in IELTS writing and speaking tasks. Remember its dual function as both an adjective and a verb, and practice using it in different sentences to become more comfortable with this versatile word.